Hello guys! In this lesson, we're going to talk about updating your business information. Let's get started. In the previous lessons, we have created a Facebook page and have chosen the business categories. The page that we have created has no important business details yet. A business information is important to include in one's Facebook page. Your potential customers might check on your business details and they might need that information to connect and contact your business. Now let's update our Facebook page's business information. Log into your Facebook personal profile, then look for the Facebook page that you have created. Under your pages, you'll see all the Facebook pages that you've created using this Facebook profile. Choose the profile page that you want to update your business information. From the left menus, look for the Edit Page Info menu. Here's the page info where we can add, delete, or edit some details. You may notice the blue box here saying that some details are missing. To help your Facebook page get more audience reach, click Get Started. You can follow the instructions inside after you click the Get Started button. Step 1 is to input your business phone number. Choose your country's code from the drop-down list, or you can type in your country to find the country code easily. But if you don't have a phone number for your business, you can tick the radio button and click the Save and Continue button. The phone number that you will include in your information is important so that your potential customers who will visit your Facebook page can easily take note of your business phone number. They might prefer to contact you and talk to you on the phone rather than sending you a chat message on Facebook. If you don't have a phone number set on your Facebook page, you might lose some potential customers who are looking to do business with your page and prefer connecting with you using your mobile number. Next, step 2 is to input your business website. Every business must have its own business website. It will show your potential customers that your brand exists. Your business website adds credibility to your brand. Some of your potential customers want to check your website, read your company's mission, check your refund policies, contact information, and other social media accounts that might not be displayed on your Facebook page. But if you don't have a website yet, you can click on the My Page Doesn't Have a Website radio button. Now click Save and Continue. Step 3. Type in the business email address. A business email is important, so make sure to add it to your business information on your Facebook page. Email is one of the communication channels that most of your potential customers prefer. It's easy to send professional communication via email. If you haven't created an email for your business yet, you can choose the radio button, My Page Doesn't Have an Email, then click Save and Continue. And once you have an email address for your business, you can add it here later. Step 4 is to update your business hours. You have 4 options to choose from: no hours available, always open, permanently closed, and open on selected hours. If you have a physical store and your business is open in selected hours, you can input your own business hours, including the days. Then click Save and Finish. Next is to add a location for your business. This is applicable for businesses that have a physical store. Adding your store's address can help your potential customers to know where your business is physically located. They might visit your store, and this location on your Facebook page will help them find your business. If you don't have a physical store, you can choose the radio button, My Page Doesn't Have a Location. Now that you know about updating your business information, we can now proceed to the next topic, optimizing your logo and cover photo. I'll see you there.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and go to technicforce.com for more tools and training.